Hi, my name is Maylin and I am 19 years old. I'm about to go to Loughborough University. I was studying in ICL, an online school in the US, but now I'll be continuing my academic journey to study physiotherapy in the UK. I met Meritroot a couple of years ago when I needed some SAT and PSAT guidance and work. And ever since then, even with the time zones, Meritroot will always be there for you and they will always be on time with their meetings and their sessions. Meritroot has really been a support system for me because my weakest subject is math, and they really guided me through math and helped me understand the concept a lot clearer in different ways, variety of ways to solve a problem, and they really explain everything that is going in the problem. So they've really helped me grow my math skills and as well as helped me get the grades that I needed to be able to continue my academic journey in the UK. So I really recommend Meritroot. They really do support you. They will always answer your questions. They will break down everything as small as possible. They even helped me with English literature for some time. And they really just filled the gaps in the academic world that I needed and that I was missing. And they're just the best support system that I ever got for math and English. So